Hello everyone. Problems based on mixtures is something very common that we see in many entrance exams. In our previous video, we saw one type of mixture problem that gets tested in PO exams. And in this video, we'll see a different type. Let's dive into the question. In a mixture of wheat and barley, the wheat is 60%. To 400 kg of the mixture, a quantity of barley is added and then the wheat is 53 1/3%. How many kg of barley was added? Now this is a fairly straightforward question. We know that the total quantity of the mixture is 400 kg, and we know that before additional quantity of barley was added, the mixture had 60% of wheat. So the initial amount of wheat must have been 60% of 400, which is 240 kg. Now we know that the total quantity is 400. We know that the quantity formed by wheat is 240, and therefore we can say with confidence that the quantity of barley in the initial mixture was 160 kg. Now additionally, we are adding a certain quantity of barley to the mixture. We don't know how much it is. Let us assume that we are adding X quantities of barley or X kg of barley to the mixture, and what we know is that after adding this amount of barley, we are left with 53 1/3% of the mixture as wheat and the rest as barley. If we denote this with an equation, we can say the 240 by 160 plus X, that is the quantity of wheat in the final mixture, 240, divided by the quantity of barley in the final mixture, 160 plus X, that is the new amount that is added, is equal to 53 1/3 divided by 46 2/3, because we are said in the question that wheat forms 53 1/3% of the resultant mixture. So once we arrive at this, we can go on to simplify the right hand side. 53 1/3 divided by 46 2/3 is equivalent to 160 by 140, or 8/7. Now at this stage we can cross multiply this 240 by 160 plus X and 8/7 to arrive at our final equation, which is 240 into 7 is equal to 8 into 160 plus 8X. Now this can be written as 1680 is equal to 1280 plus 8X. From there we get X as 50 kg. Now 50 kg, that is option B, is the right answer.
Now before we move on, here is a quick question for you to try. A man invested ₹1,000 in fixed deposits and shares. Later, he shifted 20% of the investments in fixed deposit to shares. This resulted in a 25% increase in the investment in shares. What was the ratio of investment in fixed deposit to shares at the end? This is a fairly straightforward question, and I would love to see your answers as comments. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more.